Today I'm changing the sway bar link or the stabilizer bar link on my 2015 Toyota Mark X. This is, just show you before we start again, this is the old sway bar. When you find that it has so many plates in it, then you realize that it wants a change. And when you're driving and you see that the wheels are getting slightly shifting to the left or the right on you involuntarily, then you know chances are the sway bar link is out. Now this is a new one. As I say, you can't find, I can't turn it like that, you don't get so much play. So this is an indication when you see that the wheel is going away from you, that this needs to go. There are many other things, but this is one of them. So let me go in the second one now. Alright. So first you need to get some WD-40 on it. And to spray that, yeah, get those things loose. Alright. So to get it off, you need your alright, let me try see if this can get it off. That works. If that don't work, sometimes you have to get the power handle. So that's slack. Let me work on this one and see if it works. And this is up here. Here is it. Here is it. Right, so I'm working on it. Let me see if I can keep up with it. Alright, here we go. Right off. Don't waste much time. And let me just take this off as well. Alright. Alright, so the reason why it's spinning out of control and don't want to move, it is because I need to get an Allen key for it right here. Both of them are off now, so just a matter of pushing them out. So push this out, that out, this out, and let us check the intensity of it. So as I say, there it is, a lot of play. A lot of play in it. You don't want so much play in it at all. So get the one without play. No play. Just hard work. So new there. New there. Put a little WD on it. Don't have to, but let me get some on it. Alright, so the longer piece goes at the bottom, which is here. Make sure you're seeing. then the shorter piece goes at the top. Might need a little muscle to get this down. I'm going to have to knock it a little. Don't want to give it a big knock, but I want it down. Go down, boss. Okay. So it's in. It's just a matter of forcing it a little. There we go. Alright. So once it's in now, then you start to get your nuts ready to go in the bolt. Alright, so it's just a matter of tightening up. So there you have it. Change of the sway bar on the vehicle. Now, so it's time to get the tires on. Not that a lot of sweat to do this one. Fairly easy. But as I said before, the symptoms of knowing that your sway bar is gone is when the vehicle is started dragging out, the wheel is started dragging away from you, the steering. So that's one of them. So until next time, again, on Techly Things, this is Duke Rick out, and I'm saying peace out.